How to change time to 24-hour format in Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Control Panel, click on Clock and Region. Then click on Region. After you click on Region, you will find this kind of screen pop up. You will find Short Time and Long Time. Click on Short Time and it will expand. Click Other option except for the TT at the last. Simply do the same in Long Time. Choose Other option except for TT at the last. And as you can see at the bottom, Short Time and Long Time is changed into 24-hour format. Click on Apply at the bottom and then you're good to go. This is how to change time to 24-hour format in Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.